Hello everybody, welcome back cooking again. Now this one's nice and simple. It's not my recipe. I've got this recipe off the British Art Foundation. So it's going to be healthy, it's going to be good for you, and I'm going to be doing a breakfast, a lunch and an evening meal. Yummy. Right, let me show you what we're going to do. It's simple enough to do. Basically does itself really. Right, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to be doing lunch. I'm going to be doing a carrot and parsnip soup. Quite simple. I want to get this on first because then it's got to start cooking and then cooling down before I puree it. So I've got 350 gram of carrots and 350 gram of parsnips. I've left the skins on, just chopped them up. I've got 1 onion diced up. I've got 1 teaspoon of hot curry powder, or to taste it says, and half a teaspoon of cumin, or to taste. I've got 800 ml of vegetable stock. I want 150 ml of semi-skimmed milk. With my soup I usually do like cream or something, but I say milk, I suppose that's less calories, I suppose. Bit of black pepper to taste, and some parsley for the end. So I'm going to get this one done, get this one done first. Right, I've got my pan on, warming up for my soup. Now I want 2 teaspoons of olive oil or rapeseed oil, or what I'm using, rapeseed. 2 teaspoons of this, because that's what I've got. I suppose you can use normal oil, I suppose. It's all about the healthier bit in it, I suppose, that's all. Oil's warmed up. I'm going to get my onions in. Get them all in. No messing. I'm going to follow the instructions. My carrots and my parsnips all together. Want to do that for about 5 minutes. Let them do their thing, and that can keep stirring them. Okay, the onions have started going a bit translucent now. So I'm going to get me curry powder, my 1 teaspoon of curry powder, and my half a teaspoon of cumin in. And then we're going to get that a mix for about a minute. Nice bit of soup. So I could have done this in the Instant Pot, but people haven't got Instant Pots, haven't they? And the instructions did say, you know, on the hob. So thought I'll follow the instructions and we'll have a crack, see what this comes out like. Smells nice. That's been about a minute now. Now I'm going to get my 800 ml of vegetable stock in. Like so. I'm going to get a bit of pepper in to taste. Do like a bit of pepper, me. Just going to scrape the bottom, make sure there's none of that goodness at the bottom there. Now we want to cover, bring it to the boil, then simmer for about 25 to 30 minutes. So we'll do that. Right, that's just started boiling. And that says it smells absolutely delicious. Smells absolutely delicious. We're going to turn that down to simmer. A little stir. Just smells nice, doesn't it, Bab?
Yeah, it smells very nice.
Put the lid on. Now, on to the next. Right, as for the next, it's going to be tea. Jacket potato. These are 200 grams a piece, these are. They're not very big, they're like medium. I've got a bit of, say, rapeseed oil, which I'm going to rub over the skin. And a touch of salt, not too much. And I'm having on mine mackerel in tomato sauce. That's not, that's just having cheese. Now I'm going to do them in the air fryer. I've never ever done a jacket potato in the air fryer before. I always do them in the oven. And I like my skin really, really crunchy. So I'm hoping the air fryer gets it really crunchy, but I also hope it cooks in the middle. So what I thought, I did have a look online how to do it. What people have said is if it starts burning on the outside, wrap it in foil. So that's what I'll do. So I'll get a bit of a, I need to poke it first. I could have put them in the microwave, couldn't I, obviously, to do first like that, but I don't like them doing them in the microwave. So get some holes in them. I like a proper jacket, but I thought I'd try the air fryer today, why not? When I do them in the oven, I'll do a cross in them like that. But people have said online, just poke them and pull them in for about 40 to 50 minutes, obviously depending on the size of your spud. So, it's all trial and error in it. I'm going to put a bit of, just a drop, not a lot, and I can rub it in on the plate then. Gotta watch the calories, as it says. Just a drop of salt. Let's just get them covered. Yeah, they're not very big, are they? But there we go. I'll get the air fryer warmed up. Right, air fryer's warmed up now. So I've took the basket, I'm just going to stick them at the bottom there. And I say, if they start burning too much and they're not done in the middle, I'll wrap them in foil. I'll just get them in. But I'll keep checking on them and see how long they take. Nice and simple. That's doing nicely. It's smelling gorgeous. Smelling absolutely delicious, that is. Right, the soup's all soft, all the vegetables are soft now. So what I'm going to do, because obviously I need to cool that down before I put it in the blender. That's why I wanted to get it done first, so that's done, so I'm just going to leave that out of the way towards the end. So that can go out of the way there. It smells delicious. I've got the jackets doing in there. Nowhere near done yet, obviously. No. Right, the soup's been sitting for about 20 minutes. The jacket spuds, I think they've got about 15 minutes to go. By the looks of it, they're crunching up nicely and they're getting a bit soft. So we'll see. Right, so I'm going to grab some of this. I'm going to put it in my blender. Blender's going to be really loud, so I'm not going to show you me blending it, but I'll show you me putting it in. Get it all in there. Might have to do it in a couple of batches. It says this serves 4, so it'd be nice to see whether it does or not. Oh no, I might be able to get it all in one. We'll see. I want to get all this juice in there. We want it all mixed together, don't we? It smells delicious though, doesn't it, Bab? It smells really nice, doesn't it? Let's get that last bit of juice in if I can. There we go. Probably filled it up way too much now. I've lost the lid. Right, I'm going to get in the blend. It's going to be really loud, so... Let me have a look. I've got to put milk in yet, don't forget, so... There it is. Yes, I'm going to stick that back in. I did get another pan out for it, because I thought I'd have to double do it, but I'm going to put it back in the same pan. I'm not going to clean the pan out, there's no point, get all that flavour in. And I will warm that up at the end. Right, jacket potatoes are done. Now we're on to the, I've just got the pan on warming up. I want to get the milk in. And we don't want it boiling, we just want to stir it. We don't want the milk curdling. So I usually use cream or something, but it says use milk, I suppose that's for the calorie count. We'll stir all that in and we'll get it just to heat up nice and warm. Looking nice. That's 150ml of semi-skimmed milk in there. And for breakfast, I know it's back to front, but it's the way you had to do it. We're going to have 40 gram of porridge oats, 250ml of milk, semi-skimmed. Bit weird I've done it, but I say how you got to cook it, you know. And 40 gram of this. Probably can't see. Oh, it's way too much, can way overlook. There we go, 43 gram, that'll do. Milk, 250 ml. Seems quite a lot. Microwave for a few minutes till it gets thick. Right, last little thing, guys. Done now. The mackerel. Get it on a plate or in a bowl or whatever. I love a bit of mackerel. I don't like sardines though. I like a bit of mackerel, a bit of mash. Microwave 30 seconds just to eat through. Everything else is done. Right guys, I'm on the table, everything's done. Couple of things I forgot to show you. I was rushing around, that's nearly finished all hers. I haven't even started mine, so I'm going to show you anyway what it's like. Oh, I got my mic the wrong way around. You want to be able to hear me properly. Let me turn my mic round. There we go. Right, so there we go, there's my jacket spud. And it did come out quite nice. And that's it, all what's it tastes like, the jacket spud, but really nice. In the air fryer, good. There's the mackerel and tomato sauce, looks nice. I've had it with peas, as it says. Didn't show you doing the peas. There's the soup, and that says it's gorgeous. I haven't even tried it. And it says we have a couple of pieces of wholemeal bread and some olive spread, which I had. That's quite cheap up Aldi, that is. Only $1.29, I think. It's not bad. There's the oats with one banana. And there's a snack, which I didn't show you. Natural yoghurt with, it says with nuts, but I can't eat nuts. It gives me the, as you say, go to the toilet. So I've had some easy peelies in there instead. And for your snack, you got apples, an apple, and 3 peelies. I've just recorded a section where I was showing you and tasting it, and it's gone. It's not on my phone, it's disappeared. Can't find it, my phone's just shut off. So I'm going to have to show you again, but I've already ate a bit of it now. Let me show you. Well, no, I've already showed you, that bit's there. Let me taste it. What a pain. There's the oats and a banana. I did put a banana in there. It's going to be thick now because I was tasting everything. And as I said, a little bit of honey, it'd be perfect. I do love a banana. But I'm not eating that anyway because I want to try the rest. Now onto the soup again, which I've already tried, and it's absolutely delicious. But just to show you. It's lovely, it's got a lovely bit of heat in it, Bab.
Oh, okay.
Absolutely lovely bit of heat.
I can't stand past it.
This bit might already be on the phone somewhere if I find it when I go to edit it now. I don't know where it's disappeared to, it's gone. That's gorgeous.
Really nice.
I really like that.
Nice, simple recipe.
And now onto my food's all gone cold now. Onto the roast, the jacket spud. And as me Nat just says, when I was filming the last bit, which has disappeared, it reminds us of bonfire night, doesn't it? The skin's lovely, ain't it?
Oh, the skin's really nice. I polished all mine off, it's really nice.
It's all gone.
All gone. I've had a couple of mouthfuls of
That mackerel's lovely. You want to try some of that natural yoghurt with some orange? Because I won't eat that at the minute. Yeah?
Yeah, I'll try some.
Gives your opinion. She's not coming on, she's going to give her opinion. Supposed to have it with nuts or something, but I can't eat the nuts.
That's sweet.
It's sweet.
Yeah.
I just decided to put them in there. Is it too much in there?
No, because
breaks it up.
It pangs that sweet craving that you get.
Yeah,
So
that's what I thought.
I like it.
Yeah.
It's nice. Yeah.
There you go.
Simple.
I do apologise about this end bit now. I don't know what's happened, honestly. It's really done my head in.
That balance nice as well.
That balance nice, is it? So I can't eat nuts. It says 30 grams of unsalted nuts, but I can't eat nuts. But yeah, there we go. Simple, and it was all simple to do. And I just done the 3. Took me about an hour and 15 minutes to do the lot for the 3. You know, obviously you're not going to do the 3 together. This was just for a video. We've had oats and banana breakfast. We've had carrot and parsnip soup for lunch with a slice of wholemeal bread,
which is proper nice.
Which is gorgeous. Jacket spud in the air fryer. I've had it with mackerel and tomato sauce and some peas. Nat's had it with just cheese, ain't you? Because she won't eat the fish. We've got 3 easy peelies, whatever you want to call them, an apple, 30 gram of natural yoghurt, and an easy peelie in there as well. Lovely. I'll leave a link to the recipe down below anyway. But as I say, there you go, something nice and simple, healthy. I don't suppose there's be many calories, I'm not sure how many, it doesn't say on the website, but it's healthy food. I think that's important for me at the minute now. Get a few healthy things, not all the time, but a couple of times anyway. But I say, I am the old food guy. Till the next time, I'll see you later. Bye-bye. I do apologise, I don't know whether the end's looking out now because of what happened, it's disappeared, I don't know what's happened. Bye-bye.